Show. Today we are making chicken noodle soup, and you know why? Because it is super cold outside, so chicken noodle soup is very warm, so we are going to be making that today. Chicken noodle soup is my favorite comfort soup because it just makes me happy a lot when I eat it. It just tastes so good. Okay, so we will be using the chicken broth. Chicken that I'm going to be cutting up by myself, the whole thing, and egg noodles, and carrots, and celery. And the seasoning time, we're going to be using thyme too. Ew. This is not, that tastes, Okay, so chicken, and I'm going to be cutting it up on my own knife that my mom got me, and my okay, started. The chicken smells really good. How am I going to take this out of the bag?
With your hands.
I don't want to take my hand in it and all the juice. Ew! I feel like I just saw a heart like boop. I don't want to touch it, really. It's literally like a, look at this. The heart's moving. I don't want to do that. I mean, you see like that pumping?
It's because you're moving.
Is it a muscle? I'm gonna try with my neck first. Ooh, the juice sticking out everywhere. That's okay if the juice gets everywhere. I can just pick it up.
Just pick it up with your hands.
I don't want to. It's boom. Ah! I just touched it. I really don't want to. Is that a nail? Can you please help? Okay, my mom helped me with that because that was gross. Look, it's moving. See?
Mm-hmm. Well, you're moving it, babe.
Well, I'm gonna cut it. Okay, I'm gonna try it just in case. And that's good. How do you cut it? I'm cutting the neck. Ew.
There is no neck. They took the neck off.
What's that thing coming out of it?
Ew, I don't know. I don't want to do this. Dad, here, let's make Dad do it.
Okay. So, I taste test it, and it's really good, but you have to get all the skin off and all this. I don't want to look at it. It's so good. I want to eat it. Gross. Okay, now we're gonna cut 8 carrots. Always do this before adult. You do not want to cut your fingers off. I'm almost done cutting the carrots. And then it's time for the next thing. Okay. Now we're all done. And we're going to do the next thing. Now we're cutting the celery. Now we're chopping the celery, and there we go. It's really hard. I like to use a sawing motion when I cut my celery, like that. Now I'm just doing a little pieces to cut up, just in case if they get big. Now the celery comes from a garden, and so the celery gives the chicken noodle soup, a garden flavor. And I don't know if my sister would like this because she doesn't like stuff that comes from the garden. She only likes stuff comes from Chick-fil-A. Like what? Okay, so now I need to add the carrots and celery into the school.
No, into the pot.
Oh, in this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, I guess you can eat that. I guess you can eat that too. Now I need 6 cups of chicken broth. I'm putting in here. Then, after I pour the second of this in, we are going to let this cook for 10 minutes. And then we have the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna go start it every time I forgot about that. All of it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna dump it. Ding. Can I spin it? This has to cook for 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Okay, guys. Now it's time to add the noodles and the chicken. Yeah. Well done. They're like all screaming. You ready? Guys, we'll copy them. One more noodle. Oh, a lot more.
Great.
How am I gonna do this? The spoon.
Ah!
This looks good. We just need to let the noodles get more softer than 10 more minutes to go. All right, guys, the soup is done. And then you're gonna see you're gonna see if I like it or not. So I just pour it.
Yeah, you just put it in your
You
bowl.
need broth.
You need what?
You need broth in there.
Broth?
Bruh.
What?
What is it called? Broth?
Broth? It's called broth.
Broth.
No.
Broth.
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 Broth. T-H.
Broth.
Not pho.
Broth. Broth. Broth.
Yes, broth.
Wait, you need more juice in it, Mom.
Broth?
Yes. Gosh, I wish you could smell this. It smells like love, joy, peace, and comfort. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Because it smells so good. And I'm gonna try. Oh, it burned me. Well, that's good. I wish you could taste this, people. Well, that's really good. I want to eat more. Guys, this is a really easy recipe. It's really simple, and I just like because it's really easy and it tastes good. So that's my favorite part. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Comment down below if what kind of Ivy show should I do next.